I was saving this box for a long time because it is strong and I want to use it for a project. I like this glossy contact paper that I got at Amazon. I'm gonna use it to cover the outside of the box. Cut well all the edges of the paper and cover the entire box. Use any card to take out the air and the bubbles. This reminds me when I was in high school and I covered my notebooks. That and the new uniforms was the best part to returning to school. And I enjoy it so much. If it's your first time, it's so great to have you here. And please subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of my future videos. To all my subscribers, thanks a lot for your love and support. Tell me in the comments, what do you think of this project or any one that I have done? Now I'm gonna use this gold glitter foamy that I got at Hobby Lobby for $1, and I'm gonna cover the inside of the box. gonna use this silver glitter runner that I got at Five Below for $1 to cover the top of the box, the inside part, because the gold foamy, it wasn't enough. So I'm gonna use this one that it also matches with the contact paper of the box. I cover all the inside parts of the box, and this is how it looks, and you can close it easily. I got this silver diamond strip. It has its own adhesive, and I'm gonna use it to decorate the outside borders of the box. I also have the diamond strips in gold, so I'm gonna use some of them for the inside. I got these elegant diamond drawer knobs from Amazon to give height to the box and add one to the front so it could be easy for me to open the box.